Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and last night I went to Panna II. This is an Indian restaurant in New York City. I wanted to do a website review and share my experience. First off, this is one of my favorite Indian restaurants. I absolutely love this place. Matches my personality, my style. I love like the decor. They had amazing lights all over the ceiling. So I have a YouTube short. I'll play that for you. Last night I went, they had a birthday party, and they kind of welcome you with open arms. If you are, I would say, an introvert and you like your space, I wouldn't recommend this because it's a very small restaurant. So you'll be sitting practically like on top of the neighbor, and obviously, strangers that are sitting next to you, but you feel like they're family, like you know them. So, like that birthday party, we were all singing, clapping for them. It was as if it was someone, our loved one, having a birthday party. So the seats are very close to one another. And, if you're not that social butterfly type, everyone's going to be like, hi, how you doing? Everyone's talking to one another. So it will help with your social skills. I know a lot of my students, they're not as social. So a place like this where you're kind of forced to sit right next to someone, to say hello, to address them, I think it would be, you put yourself in that environment and, a friendly environment. The staff is so helpful. They move it up and down. It's kind of like a fast paced for them, but they are on top of everything. Food came out fast, very friendly, address you by your name. They really take the time to meet you and make you feel comfortable. And it is just I love it. I absolutely, food's delicious. I love Indian food. We got tandoori. I had tandoori chicken. We had the chicken masala. Comes with, the white rice, then the samosas, the potato, the vegetables. We had like a banana crisp, and they give you like a free dessert, ice cream. And of course, I like the mango lassis. So we got mango lassi. And they accept cash only. And it was inexpensive for Indian food in Manhattan, in New York City. The bill came out to a little less than $60, which is, I spend more up here, up in the suburbs, getting it, delivered because I don't live next to an Indian restaurant. But I highly recommend this place. You'll love it. I like the way you can have a reservation online. So the website, that's a nice feature. When you're building your website, you can think about having that. There is a YouTube video. Let's take a look. I see our latest video. Let's click right here.
Where are you? Where are you, Bashir? Front of Panna II.
So it's right there. See how packed?
I don't see him. Oh, shut up. Stop honking. Where's Panna II? Where's the owner of Panna II? Oh my god, there's a line. There's a line. Bashir's making a lot of money tonight.
All right, so I guess that's their latest video. We can also follow them. I don't have Facebook, so we're not going to do that. I'll follow them on Instagram and other platforms. But check them out. Let's browse the website now. So we have that's the home page. Let's see what we have here. Just some more pictures. All right, let's go take a look at their special dinner menu.
Welcome to Panna II Garden Indian Restaurant.
Obviously, if you have a larger party, definitely call and make a reservation. But if it's just, a couple, just a seat for two, they can definitely squeeze you in. I didn't have a reservation. But I know one lady was waiting. She had a party at 10.
Welcome to Panna II Garden Welcome to Panna II.
All right, even if we click on the services, that reservation, I'm not a fan of the voice on this, but that reservation pop-up comes up. Here we have video
Welcome
gallery.
to Panna II Garden Indian Restaurant.
Yes. Okay, so let's take a look. That's the video we saw. All right, that video is all over, huh? Location.
Welcome to Panna.
All right, so we just focus on reservations, where it's locating, the map, like just the main important features on the website, and then the menus, so we can take a look.
Welcome to
at the menu.
Welcome to.
So this is good. They have specials for dinner, seafood dinner, vegetable dinner. Soups, appetizers, you name it. And I love naan bread. That is my favorite. And of course, you know, the tandoori chicken. Yeah, we got, I think it was mango ice cream last night. That was for free. That was on the house, which was very sweet. And if you go try the mango lassi. You're going to like that. All right, so I'll show you the YouTube short. And as far as job opportunities, usually that would probably be in person. You know, some places, a place like this, it's probably, yeah, I don't see anything on the website. As far as if you are looking for a job, usually there's like a link on the bottom of the homepage, but you would probably just go in person and ask. All right, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. Go check out Panna II, one of my favorites. Definitely my favorite Indian restaurant. All right, till next time. Bye.
चांद विशब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता चांद विशब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है चांद विशब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है हाय पानी में कौन जलता चांद विशब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है चांद विशब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है दर्द ऐसा के हंसी आती है सांस सीने में फंसी जाती है जिसमें कांटे बिछे हो मंजिल तक जिसमें कांटे बिछे हो मंजिल तक से रास्ते पे कौन चलता है हाय पानी में हाय पानी में हाय चांद विषब को कहा चांद कोई ढलता है। जीता हुआ इश्क हार बैठे हैं, इसी तरह दिल को मार बैठे हैं। जैसे हमने मले हैं हाथ अपने, जैसे हमने मले हैं हाथ अपने, ऐसे हाथों को कौन मलता है। हाय पानी में, हाँ, हाय पानी में कौन जलता है। चांद विषब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है। चांद विषब को कहाँ चांद कोई ढलता है।